Hello everyone, hi guys, hope you're all doing really well. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day because I can in fact confirm we are going to New York tomorrow. Honestly, so excited. I cannot tell you how excited I am. Like, I have been dreaming to go to New York at Christmas for literally the longest time ever, and tomorrow is D-Day. I'm getting my flight in the morning, so as you can tell by the suitcases and the title of this video, I thought I'd come on and pack with you guys and show you what I'm taking and a few sneak peeks of a few different outfits I'm going to be wearing. I am in fact going to be vlogging the whole entire trip, from traveling there to every single day and all the activities we do. So there is going to be a little mini series coming up for you guys of our New York trip. It's literally going to be like day by day with the travel vlog included. So we're talking like 6 days worth of content. So I'm really excited for you guys to watch all these videos, to experience this at such a magical time of year like we are too. But before we get into the craziness of the New York vlogs, we did a little pack together. You guys seem to have loved my last pack me video. It's one of my most popular videos that I ever posted, so I thought let's do it again and show you some sneak peeks of what we are going to be wearing. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So I thought I'd start off with my airport outfit. So obviously, like I said, we are going to be getting up super early. I'm getting up at like 4 a.m. Like, our flight's at 10:50 in the morning, and obviously we got to go all the way to London. I wanted something super comfortable. Just gone with these like fluffy, like wide leg trousers from Miss Pat, and then this top itself is from Miss Selfridge. It's like a little zip up cardi. Just wanted something super easy that I'm going to be able to sit 8 hours on a plane in and not feel uncomfortable. And then obviously, where it is obviously cold outside, I am pairing it with this jacket I got from Boohoo. Super fluffy and super comfortable. And then when we actually arrive into New York, I feel like I'm not going to be cold because it is meant to be freezing over there. And this whole outfit I'm going to be pairing with my Adidas Specials. I got this in this beautiful little brown and pink colorway. I literally saw these on the website and I was like, yeah, these are going to be perfect for New York. Plus it goes with the color tone of the fit, and also they're so comfortable and easy to wear that I can wear them for another outfit while we're there. Okay, so back to this outfit again. We've actually got a really good flight time, so we arrive at 2 p.m. on the same day, so it means that we've actually got so much still to do on the first day and we're not really missing out on much. So I thought I'd plan a different outfit to wear when we arrive there. Of course, I had to pick a jersey from White Fox that has a New York on it. I thought that this would be the perfect little sweater to wear as well. Just something super comfortable and easy where we would have been traveling for so long. I don't really want to be wearing anything that's too heavy or bulky or anything like that. So I thought these were the pair of leggings underneath. And then I've also got these boots I also got from White Fox. So this whole fit is going to be from White Fox itself. So yeah, I got these little UGG dupes from them and I think they are so nice, and the quality, no joke guys, is literally insane. I have actual UGGs and I will be taking those with me, but these are literally exactly the same. They look so good. So I've got these to wear with the leggings and like a high pair of socks. I've also got this White Fox coat as well. It's just in a really nice, like sort of like subtle black. I'm probably gonna have the jumper tucked in my bra or something like that, so it is super comfy and cute as well. We are, when we arrive, going to be going around Times Square and going around the Christmas markets, seeing some of the main bits like Radio City and everything like that is around Times Square, because we are staying super close to Times Square itself. So anything sort of close, we wanted to be casual. We're gonna be getting Joe's Pizza. Honestly guys, the itinerary is crazy. Like, I actually kid you not, it's actually insane. So something that's super comfortable but also cute as well, and then I can have a really cute pic in Times Square with a little New York jersey. Honestly, this is such a thick like wool coat as well, got pockets and everything. So yeah, definitely gonna be super comfortable on the first day. I'm here with our day one outfit. So I wanted something super cozy because it is meant to be the coldest day. Like, it's meant to be like -5, and your girl doesn't dress for the weather very well, so I wanted something that would warm me up a little bit more. So I've just got a pair of jeans on. These are from White Fox. I'm gonna be wearing thermals under everything, so I will be wearing some like thermal leggings underneath. I have got the viral cream jumper from Primark. I've got this fur coat that I got on TikTok Shop. I can't remember who the company was. I actually couldn't tell you. It was off a company on TikTok Shop. I got it for such a good price. I've got this Primark, a little burgundy scarf, and then also my NY hat. I really wanted something cozy and just like quintessential NY, because this day we are actually going on Brooklyn Bridge, so I thought this would be really cute. And then when it gets cold, I can put the scarf above my head, like kind of like a baklava. And then I'm going all out on the burgundy, so I'm pairing it with this burgundy bag I've got from Boohoo. I'm going to get so annoyed though because it will keep falling off my shoulder because I am wearing fur. And then I've also got these sunglasses as well because I just look cool. Like, I just look cool. Oh my god, it's literally really falling off my shoulder. This is gonna actually kill me. Yeah, I just feel like a cool local New York kind of gal. It's just giving the vibes, and I'm super comfortable as well, and hopefully I'll be nice and warm. I'm gonna be wearing some black gloves with this, and I'll also be pairing them with my UGG Taz's as well. So again, super comfortable because I will be doing a lot of walking on this day. But yeah, I'm super cozy all at the same time, and it's giving like mob wife kind of vibe, and yeah, I feel super cool in it. Okay, so on the second day, I've got like a 2-in-1 outfit vibe. We are doing a huge amount of stuff on the second day, so I kind of didn't want to wear the same outfit the whole day to a certain degree, but I am limited on space because I've only got 23 kilograms, so I thought I'd do like a 2-in-1 outfit. I've got these jeans, these little blue jeans from That's So Fetch. These are probably my favorite blue jeans ever. I paired it with this edited top. It is a super strappy top, so hopefully I don't get too cold, but I thought it was really cute because it had the little American flag on it, and have this cardi over it. This is mainly going to be just for like a photo itself, or just walking around like a coffee shop or something, just for like a quick snap, because I didn't want to be too cold, because I have a feeling I will probably be most likely freezing in this outfit. So this was going to be kind of like the first way of wearing it at some point during the day, and then otherwise I was going to button it up fully. Oh, by the way, the cardi is from Primark, and then I'm pairing it with this gorgeous white fluffy coat that I got from ASOS, and oh my god, I feel like a literal like ice princess, and this coat is so soft, so big and comfortable. We are going to be going ice skating in Central Park on the second day. I thought this coat would be really cute. It's giving like, yeah, like snow princess vibes. I am probably going to have my hair up for this outfit, so just bear that in mind. I've also got these gloves from Primark as well. Honestly, loads of bits from Primark recently. They're also giving UGG dupe. That I was going to wear these cute little mittens while I'm ice skating, and that just like ties in so nicely with the coat. And then I was just going to pair it with my Jacquemus bag. Okay, so this was basically going to be the outfit I was going to wear on the second day. Something really cute. I thought I'd look adorable while I'm ice skating, and also super cozy and comfy because these are fur lined inside. I honestly am in love, and also it's not too dressy because I got the blue jeans to make them casual. And again, with this outfit, I am going to be pairing them with my UGG Taz's as well, just because these jeans are quite long, so I kind of need a platform. But yes, so this is our day 2 outfit, probably our busiest day out of all of them, where we are doing so much, which I'm really excited for, because we've got things like Central Park. We're also seeing the Radio City Rockettes on this day as well, like so jam-packed. And yeah, I think this outfit is going to be perfect for doing all those activities. Okay, so again for this day, we've got another 2-in-1 outfit, because we are going out for dinner at Cipriani's in the evening, but we won't be going back to our hotel because they are literally on the opposite sides of Manhattan. So in the bag, I've got a change of a top that I'll put on in a sec, from turning this kind of like from like day to night. So this is the day we're going to be flying on a helicopter and doing like a helicopter ride over New York, which again, I am honestly so excited for. I wanted something that was super comfy but cute all at the same time. I've gone for this cute little brown short fur coat. This is from River Island. I got these edited jeans that say 1980. They're in like a little leopard print, but I feel like it was giving like cool girl vibes. Some black gloves that I've got from Primark. My bag is Boohoo, I think, but this is a couple years old now. Belt on from White Fox as well to tie in the brown. Hopefully this is another sunny cold day, because I do want to wear the sunnies again. And I've also got to pair these with a pair of boots. Now, sounds a bit crazy that I'm wearing boots. People are going to think you're actually delusional. Why are you not wearing flats? So these boots I got from Vivaya a couple of years ago. These are my favorite boots in the whole entire world. Like, I know you're probably thinking I'm crazy for saying that, but no joke, these are the comfiest boots I've owned, will ever own. I don't know what it is about them. The heel is super short on them, but even then, I've got heels that are even shorter than this, but these are even more comfortable. I don't know if it's because they're a boot or what it is, but these I'm obsessed with. And I thought this would give a bit more of a cool girl, vintage look to it, with kind of like the brown fur jacket. I am going to put in my Adidas Spezials into my bag, just in case that I'm uncomfortable at any point, that I do want to put my trainers on. Hence why I've chosen this bag, which is a little bit bigger, so I can fit in those trainers, because I also will be wearing them in the helicopter ride, because I don't know if I'm going to feel comfortable wearing heel boots on it. And this is what I'm going to be wearing basically the whole entire day. This one, I feel like I might be a little bit colder because I've just got like a thermal top on underneath. That is it. So I've got a long sleeve thermal top. So this is definitely the least amount of warmth I'm getting from anything. I wasn't even going to take thermals in the first place, but Dan made me. So we are one-upping where we would normally be. So like I said, in the bag, I will have my top I'm wearing for the evening, ready to get changed into. So I'll just get changed into it, either in the restaurant itself or like, I don't know, any kind of public restroom or anything like that. And it's this gorgeous glittery top. Again, I got it from Boohoo last year. I've never actually worn this because I've been too scared to wear it. It's this like kind of like mesh sparkly, don't think the camera's quite picking it up, but it's this little like halter top, and I thought they would go really nicely with the jeans. It said this on and it looked incredible, like insane. So yeah, all I did is I'm just taking off the belt, changing into the boots if I do change into the trainers. So put the boots back on, have the sort of like a heeled boot with the jean, the same fur coat, and then this on underneath. Obviously I cannot wear a bra with this, so we are a little bit on the booby side, and coming from me who is like basically a quadruple A cup, bear that in mind if you are a booby person. I just thought this kind of gives the va-va-voom of going out for a really cute dinner. Also it being so small means I can fit it in my bag, and it's super easy to carry around with me for all my other stuff. So moving on to the fourth and final day, I'm just re-wearing the Primark cream jumper. I've got a pair of grey White Fox jeans and this Boohoo like wool duster trench coat, and I'm going to be wearing the same Primark stuff but in a cream. Again, sunnies for this outfit if it is sunny outside, and I'll probably go ahead and wear my Adidas on this day as well. This day is probably our most chill day out of the 4 days. This is mainly a shopping day and just relaxing, walking around Fifth Ave and everything like that. So I kind of wanted something a little bit more relaxed for this. I'm going to pair this all with this red bag I got from PLT. Again, it's a really nice size. I can fit a lot of stuff in. Plus, I felt like I needed a slight pop of colour with this, where I'm very neutral, very grey. And I feel like this just adds that little star of the show moment in this outfit. Now, the only undeciding bit is I'm taking this beanie. I don't know if I hate or I love the beanie. I can't quite work it out. So I thought I'd take it anyway. I might wear it. I probably won't, because I just don't know if I like the way it looks on. I feel like I look a bit silly. I don't know. It's giving like Cameron Diaz from The Holiday, but not in the good way. The way when she sat in bed and she's literally just got, I don't even know what she's even doing. I think she's drinking like a glass of wine in the bed in the little English house with like a hat, scarf and gloves on. So I don't know, it's very 2000s with the hat. So I'm very undecided if I actually will wear this hat on the day or not, but I thought it's very small, I can take it anyways. And obviously we are traveling home on this day as well. Now with that, we are very lucky. We did pay a little bit extra to have like a night flight home, so our flight isn't actually till nearly 11 p.m. in the evening, which sounds kind of crazy, but actually is so good because it means that we don't have to leave the airport till like 8 p.m. so we've still got the full day on the last day to have in New York, and then we've actually got a nighttime flight. So by the time we actually get back to the UK, because obviously we'll be sleeping overnight, it's actually going to be 10 in the morning when we arrive back home. So if I sleep the whole flight, jet lag be gone, because I'm going to wake up refreshed, revitalized for a brand new day. So it actually works out quite well. Again, with that, I'll probably rewear my airport outfit. If not, I'll wear the little New York jumper with the leggings and the other duster coat from White Fox. Haven't fully decided. Whatever I want to wear that day. Like, I'm really not that fussed. As long as I'm comfortable, that's genuinely all I care about. That is the main outfits of what I'm wearing day to day. I do have a few pieces I'm going to show you that I'm taking purely for content and purely just to take pictures in. While I'm there, I thought I might as well get some really cute pictures. More like evening based, dressed up quite nicely, where obviously each day I can't sit there in a pair of heels and a very short dress because I will get cold. To take the pictures in the hotel or around the hotel. If I don't shoot them, it's genuinely not the end of the world. I'm going to get plenty of content, but if I had the time, I thought, oh, why not take a few in the hotel, kind of like the New York staying up late hotel lobby kind of vibe. The girls that get it, okay? And I just thought, oh, maybe it would look really cute. So I do have a few outfits to piece for that. So I got this dress that I got from House of CB last year. It's this gorgeous long red bow dress. It is a very dramatic dress, and I've literally only ever worn it once, but I didn't have a photo taken in it. So I thought, perfect opportunity to get a very cute Christmassy, do you know what I mean? Like by a Christmas tree with a cute pair of heels. I just thought this dress would look so nice on. I got these heels from Kuko as well. They are a dupe, I think it's for the Ciprielli heels. I can't remember whose heels they're a dupe of, but I saw these in the gorgeous burgundy and I was like, yep, perfect. They're gonna look really, really cute on. I've also got this lime green sequencer. I cannot find it for the life of me, but I know it is in my wardrobe somewhere, so I will probably grab that just before we leave. And then just with a little crop top as well, I thought would make a really nice outfit. I've also got this dress from Pepper Mayo, just this cute little black dress with these little slits across, and I've also got these Kuko heels to go with it as well. These are in such a nice burgundy little boot style, a nice little add-on to add to the outfit, something a little bit more bougie, something a little bit more Christmassy and like nighttime vibe as well. And finally, I've also got some really, really cute pajamas as well from PLT. These are so adorable. They're literally red with like, it's giving like candy cane Christmas bow. I don't know, I love, and they're like a really nice like satin like material as well, so super comfortable. And obviously if I'm gonna wake up looking cute, I've got to be going to bed looking cute too. And that one comes with a little button up top to go with it as well. But other than that, that's all the gorgeous outfits I'm gonna be taking with me to New York. I would love to know in the comments what outfits you guys love the most as well. But yeah, I'm so excited to go. And now it's time to go get those in my suitcase before I leave, because already, as you know, I'm running super late and I've still got so much to do this evening. So please, please, please do make sure that you subscribe to my channel as well. That would mean honestly the world to me. I've also got the glow up with me video where I'm literally getting my lashes done, my nails done, fake tanning, Pilates, honestly the works. So please do go and watch that one. And then obviously as well, you're gonna be having all the exciting vlogs of what we get up to every single day in New York. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. I love you more than anything, and I will see you in the next one.